I just didn't know how to feel. I mean, you're my friend, so I didn't want to shoot you.
What?
Hey, yo, what's good, y'all? How's everybody doing today? It's your boy Trey Brown, and welcome back to TV Entertainment. Yo, real quick, guys, I'm about to do the spray paint prank on Tony. I got the fake little spray paint stuff. This is my homie Tony's car right here, the Mustang, that blue joint. I'm about to spray paint this joint and see how long it's gonna take on a notice I spray paint this joint. So here we go. I gotta do this really quick because he's with Dante. By the way, I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, thank God. Okay, I got scared. I'm gonna draw an adult body part. I'm gonna blur that out because of YouTube, but you know, real quick. I want to see how long he's gonna go without noticing I did that to his car, y'all. Yo, I don't think he's gonna peep, but and I'm sorry this video is just all sporadic right now. It just, Tony has one of the nicest cars of all. Some of my other friends got real nice cars, but his car is one of my favorites because it's a Mustang, and I love Mustangs. So Tony, bruh, I'm sorry it had to be you, but I want to see how long we're gonna drive on the road because I'm helping cousin Dante move. That's the little car over there. And let's see how long. I want to see what people are gonna start taking pictures and stuff like that. I'm actually gonna put honk something. Hold up. Here we go. Real quick. I just gotta make sure. Okay, thank God. Like, yo. All right, y'all, here we go. All right, so now I'm gonna put the camera down and hopefully Tony doesn't, hopefully he sees it, hopefully he doesn't, but yeah, real quick, I gotta get the thumbnail. I'm doing this joint all types of quick right now. Tony's inside talking to Dante, so he has no clue. Bruh, Tony, that's why you can't leave me around. That's why y'all can't leave me by myself. I tend to get into stuff. I get into stuff by myself. So real quick, gotta get the thumbnail. So hopefully those thumbnails worked real quick, yo. He's about to be pissed. I'm sorry, Tony. I'm sorry it had to be you, homie. I'm sorry. But let me get the camera set up for when him and Dante come outside.
What's he doing?
Whoa, what's up? Oh no, I was messing with the camera. I thought I wanted to record something, but then I was like, never mind. So now I'm just literally just. What's up? This guy. You changed clothes, you bastard.
He did.
I was wondering what took you so long. Are you having fun?
What's up, guys? So they call me Magic Mike. Bow, chow, wow.
You better not strip.
Wow.
Yeah, I was like, I'm gonna stop recording. Bro, I spray painted Tony's.
I know you did.
I
thought you either did it to me or him, and if you did it to me again, I'm gonna beat your ass.
Bro, please follow this man. Please.
God. Now I gotta.
Oh, come on. Why you gotta cuss? All the bleeping and whatnot. Hey, bro, keep up with him.
Where are you going?
Where are we going? We going to fun?
I don't know.
Bro, he keeps getting out the car to scare the Hey, no copyright. Tony, just get in the car, bro. He has no
Easy, come here.
Doesn't it feel good to be on the other side of a prank?
Yes. I want you to be.
That's so much work.
Come here.
All right, y'all. So far, Tony, we've been on the road for like what, 5 minutes? 5 minutes we've been on the road. Tony has not yet to peep that I spray painted the whip.
Left my glass.
Look at it. Oh my God.
Oh, it's so big.
it's Tony, bro. I'm sorry it had to be you.
And we're going by the high school. Oh my god.
We're going by the elementary
They're
school.
about to laugh him out.
Bro, please. I hope some high schoolers see him.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, this is hilarious. Oh, I wish I could have done it on that side.
So fast. I'm not getting a ticket again.
I'm tired of getting tickets. Wait, roll past him, roll past him, roll past him, roll past him. We'll go to the other side. Tony has no clue, yo. hey! Yo, go stop at him real quick.
Bro, that total stink,
Yo. Hey, hold on. I'm about to get these kids real quick. Hey, y'all. Hey, can y'all do me a favor? Hey, y'all see that was in the blue Mustang? I spray painted my man's Mustang and put like a whole pink in it. Can y'all like go over there and talk to the man's real quick?
Bet.
Like it's all from my YouTube channel though. He over there.
Come on, Mo. What? Be on YouTube?
I didn't know you was gonna hop on the car that quick. I'm just shook. Bro, you
On my car.
oh no, bro, you gay.
I was riding around.
Damn, bro.
You some
Hey, you know what's the worst part about it? I ain't gotta pay you back because that joint comes off.
I knew it came off.
Oh, you knew it came off?
I mean, I don't think you'll be that stupid.
Yeah.
Damn. I just.
Hey, good looks, y'all. Yo, you was shook. Bro, you've been riding with this for like a good 10 minutes.
5-10 minutes.
5-10 minutes.
And he was doing all that trick stuff, getting everybody attention.
Put hands on.
My man's shook. You ready? All right, Tony. All right, so Tony's girl hasn't seen the car yet, so come around the corner. Come around the corner.
Skeep.
Yo, he was so psyched about. He was like, "Yo, it's a nice day. I got the windows down." People were staring at him.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Did people actually honk?
Yeah.
Yo, that's too good.
He was too excited. Don't think. Oh, you gotta be scared. I was like,
You don't think it doesn't come on.
Damn.
Because this
I
looked a
can
little
just
heavy.
imagine him being so happy to see you guys and then just be like, why are y'all so happy? You're too happy.
I got so many pranks on him. That's why I was like, it had to be Tony this one. Yeah. Go ahead, y'all. There we go. We got another prank on the homie Tony. It's all right. Just know I was scared for myself because I was doing it to the Mustang. Just know I was scared just a little bit doing it. But you already know, guys. Go ahead and smash that like button for me real quick. Go ahead and subscribe because, yeah, just subscribe to the channel because you guys know I do anything for the views. I was about to put that on the trunk, but I knew you would have saw it. So now. But anyways, yeah, I'll hug y'all next week. Deuces.